9 minutes now. Don't cut close come out from 11 o'clock, and we don't give you the announcement earlier on. Say across the bridge, away the workshop team. Godwin Arewa, you and the Lady JJ. I said and the Lady JJ, and Lady JJ just as one of Nigeria FM. Say it could do 6 stars. Will I say both of them the same memo to myself? So yeah, hello Lady J. Make sure you say you wear red today. Black and I read myself one way because I don't understand. Lately, I don't the.
Not be blue now. Yeah, yesterday.
I mean, no black.
Okay,
black. Was it last week? For last week, they across the video we do last week.
Nah.
So you guys,
God, they look us like say, when I talk with this man, I tell an award. What did your man?
I bet I define so.
No, beside they find, I they lie. Wait, twins daddy. Twins daddy. How many colors they wear? Not the same color.
Nah, red. Now just legit come blend down.
You wear black. Then what you go talk? We plan now.
No, not the top. I they talk about.
No, you don't say ego.
What about the bottom?
You know, say the chemistry go show more because now they work for the same show. So there is synergy between the two of you in colors.
Nah, the color of the cloth go make the
okay, see waiting the design when they legit cloth. Now black. Now you wear black trousers, Abi.
You see, so because of black and red.
No,
red for my body.
All black.
They're no red for my body.
But as a headphone, are brown.
No headphone different. They look for something to talk.
I know say that why they look at too.
Your bango, whatever.
Now black.
No, you don't follow. You don't follow.
Now close comparison with they do. Okay, welcome. All of us are complete inside the house on top across the bridge. We got some things one just look through though. I think Leje get some, Becca please get some. But before we go, I don't know if you see the video of Lagosians inside BRT bus this morning.
I still talk about them for earlier
inside.
On.
99% of everybody except the driver they sleep.
Even driver said, I didn't trust that the person where they beside them going to try
tell her
tap
no
and
driver
say,
no sleepy.
Baba no sleep. Especially if traffic day, it will just do small.
Why did they sleep?
It will just do small like
this. No, you know those people when they quick come up for us. Alright, like come up for. It's crazy. It's crazy.
I don't discover. Say most times for Lagos, if you carry somebody, they go a long distance, maybe like 1 hour or day traffic. 99% of everybody they motor they sleep. Only you where they drive.
Now you go, yes. Now you go.
And I always wonder, say new way they drive every single day. You know, so they go just sleep. They don't care whether you don't tire or whatever. They don't put faith in the hands. Say this person go carry me.
But you know, say you they do this thing to me whenever they go out on Friday. Baba go say, Becca, there is no sleeping. You will not sleep. Say, I'll be your driver.
What's not put her like this? What is that? Wake up.
He go they threaten you. Say no sleeping. Go increase the volume of the radio. No sleeping. No
because
sleeping.
Sometimes
you know they sleep, they leave me.
You know say sleep they contagious one kind, especially when you dey drive and person especially the front seat passenger. If he dey sleep go dey hungry you play. Now make a most driver, all those drivers when they do interstate or who want stay front. Sleep so e dey expect say you went there from you go the whole conversation with them so that make the sleep not come. You will get me. So I mean if you focus on the road because human being must tire.
The struggle for Lagos.
Okay. Personally, and I no ever experience them until I reach Lagos because they say my eye be like touch. You feel there for inside unless na very long journey. The travel go somewhere else I sleep. But now when I come Lagos, I think the first 2 weeks when I come out, nice sleep when they catch it for inside bus. I say,
because you know they quick wake
hey God, what did they happen now? Are they okay?
But the stress of Lagos,
you know,
like now I don't adjust my timing because of this Third Mainland Bridge issue. Anytime I did Ikorodu Road, I get they look Third Mainland Bridge and I get they see the way cars line up traffic. I like because I tried that Third Mainland Bridge. Now Ikorodu I passed on Thursday last week. Okay, it did good. OTB because the Third Mainland Bridge they better. Now I try them on Friday. I regret them.
You don't call OTB. Say OTB now you put me inside this thing.
So from Monday, yesterday and today, now Ikorodu Road that they pass. And anytime I don't go, I always see Third Mainland Bridge. I go look at the distance. You go see all the vehicle will line up, and so timing don't change because now they take me like 1.5 hours to reach here.
Instead of the normal 30 minutes.
Normal 30 minutes, 20 minutes, I don't reach here. So I they change my timing like on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then they wake up till like maybe 10. You understand? I leave house like 11. Reach studio before 12. Nah, I don't adjust my time on Monday, Wednesday to 9. Tuesday and Thursday now while they wake up like 9, I don't adjust time to 8 because I need to give myself like 1.5 hours to feed each year. And I traffic at this since.
Like how many months they want you to fix that?
It's not 7 weeks.
7 weeks. I think you go read June, Abi.
June for 7
I
weeks.
I don't say ask now.
7
Don't be
weeks na 2 months
mathematician.
Now 2 months with 7 weeks.
2 months.
Less than 2 months, sef.
Okay.
June na 6
It's
months.
okay. Oh, no.
All right, before we go move to waiting the DJ talk, say we go talk about, I don't know, Germany, they say they don't prepare Russia for, war.
Prepare war to fight Russia for war.
They don't
Wetin
prepare for Russia. Say me they start World War 3. Say the moment Russia don't kickstart now, the World War go,
Godwin,
start.
this before you continue, this one not shock me because if you know what happen between Russia and Ukraine, I know what they go on now, especially this Israel, Hamas, when they become Middle East crisis, you know, say we are close to
World War
3. So I'm not shocked.
So the European continent, they say they don't prepare for Russia president. Say may expand the country's war in Ukraine and make it attack NATO plus all those allied countries this year.
So if you
they said the leaked documents, so the document leak and it is published by German newspaper BILD. So according to the BILD, where they obtain classified military information from the German Ministry of Defense, the country armed forces, they say that they gear up for a hybrid Russia attack for the whole of Eastern Europe. So the bid can detail how multiple potentially alarming scenarios feel unfold for the months where they come right now. So they can't talk of other things, but they talk say that particular document now in leak way make they don't Germany they wait say make Russia make they attack NATO plus all those allied countries then before it start.
Russia no try am. If they try and they go lose because they know say normally say World War now all about allies. Russia knows we did their war with Ukraine now. China, North Korea, those ones, even though they know they physically say that they no support Ukraine too. They form like say they me too, but we know say they be allies to
really
Russia. And then the Western world, America, Britain, the whole of Europe, they with Ukraine. Now you can also get NATO countries where we say if Russia touch NATO countries, it means they touch the whole of Europe, and Europe they be allies with America. So the moment where Russia go touch NATO countries and then Europe say they won't fight Russia, America, Britain go join those people, and then we know say China and North Korea go queue behind Russia. Now it be the World War.
Iraq did Iran I mean did
they will queue behind Russia. So we know say World War now be that Russia, China, North Korea, Iran, all those people they go do one side. Then all those Japan, South Korea, they go join America plus Britain and Europe. Now be World War. They need nobody they calculate who Africa go join. We don't get anything.
No, we get
how many would they join? No,
most of the colonized countries go follow the Ogawa which is UK. Anywhere UK, then most of us go there.
For the calculation of the fight, the Africa they irrelevant. What you want?
Not talk on our soldier men go fed there first.
We soldier men go reach they will not. They to be allies.
Hope you know say Nigeria soldier fought in Second World War, even First World War.
I ask you one question, R&B. If Russia say they won't fight World War now, which African country they hope may come support them?
For Africa,
we get some relationship.
No, now in terms of who get superpowers,
like all this new military, Burkina Faso.
Burkina Faso, which one they get? Liberia,
Mali.
The reason why Russia go find trouble now because they know say North Korea we get nuclear capability.
They did
China we get nuclear capability. Now those people they don't say be their backing. The reason why America go fight war, they don't say Britain there, Europe they there. Nobody they say I will fight war because Nigeria go get my back. I don't understand. South Africa go get my back. I don't understand.
Not look down. No, so we get power.
Those people go support small, but I don't share them. Iran, North Korea, China, Russia, one side. America, Britain, Europe, one side. Africa, they
I would that Godwin looking at it and I would that say the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, it not feel lead to even Third World War. The one why they fear. Now this is Israel
and Palestine
and Hamas. No, you don't notice how Lebanon don't they involved for the matter now low key. Houthi rebel the other hand they commit atrocity.
They involved now. So then you know say where animals gather, where you see lion, tiger, all those things. You know when fox they come they play. Now be all those. No be talk.
Now play they start, bros.
Not be all these small one. The main players for the Middle East. You see Saudi Arabia, Egypt, all those people.
They never talk yet.
They're not fee and now if those ones enter conflict,
they would dialogue
exactly those ones that get the highest to lose. You see United Arab Emirates, all those two, but all those people they know say they get more to lose. All of them they're neutral. They say that to roll peace. Now all those small level, the only person who is strong for that region, we won't put hand, but they fear they back all these Houthis and terrorists under Iran because they know say if they come out full flesh say they support this America will attack them.
Yes, heavily.
But South Africa, they somehow talk against this Russia.
I mean, Israel for genocide.
But South Africa still they inside the whole arrangement.
No, na court. They carry Israel go cause Israel they connect
genocide. Yes.
Oh boy, I don't go lie give you for an African country to actually take that step. I respect South Africa for real. And they came with heavy evidence saying that genocide. How you go they do something when you complain say Germany do to you exactly. Yes, when people make you say okay let's give you state of Israel come and then you they commit the same. But the situation different now. It different based on the trigger. The Jews no go attack Germany. Where say Germany can't come all of them. But that not say they kill innocent people back to back. You don't see recent video of the destruction of Gaza Strip. If not be say Nigeria now on serious country. Man, I ask you one question now. Let's assume say what happened for Christmas Day killings for Plateau. How many people die?
Over 200
people. Over 200 people.
Let's assume say now some terrorists from Niger. Now it come like that, come kill like 500, 1,000 Nigeria, and they be terrorists from Niger, and we know say they a particular part of Niger. What you go say when Nigerian government do when they call the government? Now people kill us, so help us catch them. I don't understand. We will go after the terror. If we can't go after terror, they can't run, go they stay where innocent people from Niger stay, and they don't kidnap like 200 Nigerians.
But that does not justify.
No, so now why? Okay, so what you go do if that you be president?
Godwin, there are better ways to also
go.
See, okay,
man,
just the same
the only thing where terrorists understand now force. They don't understand negotiation. So if they talk,
so out of the 23,000 Palestinians when don't die and the 2 million Palestinians when don't they displaced inside Gaza Strip.
Now casualty of war now. Casualty of war, you know.
So those people when they die now, they know.
The Israelis that when they
now
first
the people when South Africa they fight for now say okay, how many of these
the people where they kill for October 7, who they fight for them? The 200 and something people where they do party for them are where they. But
does that justify the task?
Now they tell you that military engagement, the terrorists they hide for where civilians they tell civilians leave this place. We they call attack terrorists and dead here. Una see stay. They go see attack. Everybody go look at from different ways. What you make US invade Iraq, invade Afghanistan? Those no, it become one Osama. I don't understand. What would that? This people they play with their citizens. So you can't kill 200 of my citizens. We go kill 10,000 of your own. Now their own be that. If you like, this why they are do genocide. They all the waste their time. If the court comes say okay, yes, it's a community genocide. What next? You go stop them from fighting their war.
They need ceasefire now because
who ceasefire? If
Gaza don't they granted.
But they don't ceasefire at the point.
Ceasefire
when make humanitarian aid come their
all
country.
this issue they talk say, all this they talk say, like just like when the UN gather say they won't come do make Israel stop to one, they come to. US veto the thing say no. You know all those things. That's why I thought say Africa forget all this Africa.
Politics still do all those things.
Now they tell you so. No matter how you win, whatever. That's why you see people get veto power like Russia, like US sometimes.
Because only they be the real member of United Nations.
What you make it say Israel see they continue that bombing? Now because America no agree with what the UN say make them stop. That's why they continue. So if the International Criminal Court say okay, you now not commit genocide, what next? International Criminal Court get military force.
No, if they issue a ceasefire, they are bound to obey.
Ceasefire?
Now I know say Israel also bring their lawyer control UK to defend them.
The question why they ask you now, if they know obey, who go enforce her?
But that killing has to stop.
Now the question why they watch CNN on this, they ask
you carry out reaction because of killing, then they justify with more killings.
They hunt down the terrorists where they run go hide to where civilians day because they know say at the end of the day if una kill us kill civilians they go say una.
Is there a record of the public record of out of that 23,000 Palestinians when don't die? Oh, these are the numbers of terrorists when don't die. Is there a record?
They announce even when they kill the deputy leader.
Now only the head will they hear now.
Now they tell if they kill the leader they go announce they don't kill the but they kill so many of those terrorists. Now the point be say Palestine know right from time say Hamas a terrorist group. They be half of Palestine. Then they say with una not do anything, una not talk, una let they leave with una. Then go find trouble. Una not see trouble, then go find. He go come back on bite una. Now everybody they shout say that they kill cities. But the time when
you see this our discussion, now we they call public discussion.
Exactly now.
In total we know the setup of how Gaza Strip they operate. The beginning, if you go back to beginning of how Hamas start to the rule and they run the government of Palestine, who get hard for inside the whole setup arrangement, who even build the tunnel when they saw say the people those one are something when we talk on air. When you know when me and you know say low-key we know people responsible for everything bros na agenda.
But if you rewind
now you say this killings on top innocent people they tire me bros.
If you rewind everything go back, if Hamas no attack for October 7, this killing could happen.
No.
Just
but you know
like
the
that.
conspiracy theory behind that Hamas attack.
Like, which conspiracy theory? They attack is I don't care about conspiracy theory. They attack people, kidnap women, children, old people. We see the way that they release 100 and something. We will not see them. And they see they announce say if we now continue to attack us, the 100 and something people we go kill them, we kidnap them. They see they tell you say they're whole citizens.
Even newborn babies follow.
Exactly. So
Bros,
if they're not
the
attacked,
when they died, they too much.
it no matter. And before me, it's bad though. It's bad, but that's. See, now waiting Nigeria this. That's why Nigeria now quiet. 200 people will die for Jos. Who don't take responsibility?
Nobody.
Who they don't hunt down?
Nobody.
That's why you go continue. Another Christmas now you go. Yes, every time somebody send message, yes, say 6. Since him be 16, I'll be waiting for Jos for 6 years straight. Every Christmas they kill people.
I want to say one question right now. With the way is they justifiable now because of the action of the Hamas? Now it make the entire Gaza they scatter everywhere, and those people who they lose life now collateral. How you take collateral damage, right? I want to see if those same terrorists, as they commit the offense, they decide run, go hide inside the houses of Israel.
Inside where?
Inside Israel, as they commit the offense.
They
hold on now, they decide hide. For those that you feel say they bomb their own people like that.
How they go hide inside Israel? How they want to do it now?
That the same thing they happen for Nigeria right now. Hold on now. Shebi you don't justify the reason why till now we not fit fight the terrorists because now our own people, right? No,
not that because of our own people. Now because we get leaders where they sentimental to say some of them now they are tribal people. Be those people. Our leadership is scattered. You understand? For America, what if they all those people will go do protest for capital after Donald Trump lose election? You know how many of them they jail now?
Yeah, they say they be prisoner. They convicted.
I don't know American citizens. Yeah. They don't arrest all of them. What will they talk? So you gotta let people say because they're American citizens, they can't truncate democracy. We don't see intelligence officer, former Commodore, 1-star general for Navy. We know people where they sponsor terrorism for this country. We don't tell president say see who he quiet. Since Tinubu take over now.
Even
you don't check that report.
Even when Dubai released names too.
What did they do? Now, recently, now one House of Rep member from Plateau State say they know the people where do those killings, where they come from. Security know, Army, Navy, everybody know, but they don't want to do anything because people at the top they protect them. Now they say we not get value for life here. So when you see country get value for life, say look, okay, people say the killings, you know, they kill some people. You forget say they see old people when they kidnap. Hamas never release them.
120. But 50 of them don't die because hold on now. You want to say hold on because people are kidnapped. You bombard people, right? Through that bombardment, 15 of them, 25 of them don't die. They report this morning.
That be casualty of war. Now they tell you so.
Their own cities, you know.
It no matter na casualty of war.
Because you don't get.
For Nigeria, okay, not be our military say them exactly bomb somewhere for capital.
Wait till all about the shots. If all about the shots, they say no, you're not good, you're not good.
At the end of the day, na casualty of war. If we know they fight bandits and terrorists for this country,
you cannot be. You not gonna say they fight terrorists, they kill more people down now. All of us criticize that action here now. Say military should have not done that.
And then if you don't do anything, the evil. Okay, for Nigeria now, when we know they attack these terrorists, we kill for just. What thing they happen? Now they don't kidnap some people or the other day for Abuja, kill the girl. People don't they raise money now. That is the consequence of.
They don't do another one again.
They don't raise that to 700.
Now the consequence of doing nothing. And I tell you, whether innocent people die or not, the consequence of not doing anything is worse. You know what will happen to Israel if they quiet, say Hamas attack them. You know what Iran go do?
Nobody say me they're quiet now, bro.
Now they tell you so. Like I ask you, I assume and say Hamas just come out and say okay. See the remaining 150 hostage, Mona take who don't release them. If Israel can continue to attack them, they kill innocent people. You know, say Israel they barbaric.
Yeah.
Release our people and I say no. What we go do? We will continue to attack them. Now the team be that. So casualty of war must stay. But like Newton talk for law of motion.
That's too much, bro.
For action and reaction, na equal and opposite. If you want find trouble, what should they find trouble? You go fight.
You say you no go gree for anybody. Look at the person where you no want gree for.
You want you work out. Maybe they work out with your babe now. Anthony Joshua can't tap him bomb. You go slap Anthony Joshua.
Who be Anthony Joshua?
Boxer.
Nigerian boxer.
And
You go slap and run, leave the girl. Abi.
Okay.
You go run, leave the
You
girl.
don't slap Anthony Joshua. Say because of the babe. Okay.
No, Arabi, you go carry Edo people come. Let man.
I'll run.
Just like Agbo people come, they shout for FG, say federal government won't destroy their pikin. You know now, according to wetin Becca to say, you go carry, you go call Edo people come. I said just like federal.
They go to say they want to destroy their pikin. Emefiele. If they don't do anything, now they hold her. And they watch one interview. They interview Mike Tyson, two presenters. That one presenter go ask question, we provoke him, asking something about about him past life.
Yeah.
That's it. When they look the guy can say, leave the studio.
Are you serious?
Just like you and Becca the interview. Becca can't ask question. We know.
You can't leave the studio.
No, make
from smart.
Yes, they tell me to make her leave the studio.
My guy is going to tell her.
Leave the studio.
Because I be go. Because at that point, if he stand up, you know to go jail, but wait till you go through. I get to leave. You understand that? You get who you go find.
I just say imagine now. Maybe one of those big brother interview where they do. You know, say this daddy they have so question.
Yes,
make one of those.
They're not be beat.
Say Arabi, leave the studio.
No, I don't try.
I will say why. For what? This is my office with this. You don't do anything.
You do Arabi, don't do am.
If my taxi ask no, if my taxi tell me, back come out to my wife, not go talk out there. One my taxi blow.
So you dey fear person.
My taxi. My taxi. No, my taxi.
If I like taxi, I go say, bros, give me question. What go ask?
I'm a very polite human being. I'm very sharp.
All right. So before we go, so he gets one message where Lady J been sent yesterday. He say he gets one lady we catching husband. The husband they put in finger for the little daughter. Say they lie, all of them they sleep for the bed together, like the wife, the husband. Yeah. Say when he come turn, he catch him. Say when they wonder, say waiting they go on here. Say when he stopped and pretended to be asleep, say the daughter come they cry, come they put the papa hand back to the private parts. Say my husband come talk, say mommy sleep now. That mommy be the nickname of the child. Say mommy sleep now. He say she jump out of the bed and question him. Say waiting be the meaning of all those rubbish where the man they do. Why they try that rubbish with the daughter? He can say now your own way to make the daughter sleep. Upon asking her more question, he can say well, say now the same thing. In papa they always do with his sisters when they were babies. Say now waiting the papa they do, and the girl where we say the man they try do am with now 4 years old. He say because she don't the one that say why pikin involve her big. Say is it right for a father to do this? His intentions might be genuine. Please,
genuine.
Now the woman they make that excuse.
Yes, say since the man talk say he want they make her sleep. Now just ways to make her sleep.
There are 1,001 ways to make your baby sleep. No be to violate them. Touch your pikin inappropriately.
Some people are broken.
That guy should be in Yabale.
He can't say if the woman they doubt him, say make he call the sisters, ask them. Say na the same way their papa do.
The guy come from a background of
broken
abuse,
people.
People. Yes. So now they transfer entire in marriage now. You see why they don't say before you marry somebody, investigate, find out who them be.
Yeah.
No matter the
background where he come from, you supposed to know better. I know to abuse your own child because the father they do. Now somebody will say maybe he no know any different than another, but he did very wrong. Now the pikin don't come they used to ram. She they see him like now for that pikin now. She don't know how bad they abuse her. For her now waiting the sweet her where they make her sleep, but it's wrong. You understand? The man need to stop her, and they need to take that man away from that child.
Yeah, even when I saw it, I'm like the man they need to go and do a psychological evaluation for him.
Not every time they turn and say many people they mad for this question.
No, that's terrible.
An example of unstable.
The woman suppose even come out that daughter from that man hand.
But she don't arrest him now. The man family don't come for her. She don't arrest him now. He dey police station. The family say no, na family issue.
Na family issue. So make police no put mouth.
Family issue.
Make they no put mouth. I thought they said it takes the whole full community to train a child. Why?
These days, community people don't get sense.
No. This is very sad. All right, time don't for us to come out from inside the studio. Don't enter inside the studio to come run the arrangement of Tinkling News from R&B and Becca. Please, we don't vamos come out. See you tomorrow for the sweet in the middle edition of Morning News. We don't come out.